KMRSounds.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Dinesty King music. No, let me give you all of me. I can't forget to me not there. I know what you want. I know what you want from me. If you want go on, please go. Me not shed no tears. Me I feel alright, cause you are going like woman alone not break. So if you want go on, please be my guest. No need your stress, I want less problem living down my life. You want leave, please go, but don't feel no way. Yeah, you never deserve none of the work. I'm a kid to keep put the car in a reverse. Now you mash up me out, now my heart need a surgeon. Between you and my ex, you are the worst one. This time for the first, but not hurt me feel charged like squad. They carry me go down a station. Me are the best you ever get, but you no rate, man. If you a man and waste my time, you is a waste, man. Go, don't shed no tears. Me I feel alright, cause you are going like woman alone not break. So if you want go on, please be my guest. No need your stress, I want less problem living on my life. You want leave, please go. You want leave, please go. Don't feel no way, ay, but don't feel no way because my find another man already in my bed. So it even make no sense to even call me no. Big man, you did I mess around. Tell me who for bread butter now. Every time I tell me sorry, put a tally on the time. Then when me tell myself me don't want you no more. So you think say you did have a clown, but can't believe me give my soul to a puppy show. Go, not shed no tears. Me I feel alright, cause you are going like woman alone not break. Cause if you want go on, please be my guest. No need your stress, no one less problem in my life. Please go, but don't feel no way. So if you want go on, please go. Don't feel no way. Cause you want go on like, woman alone not break. And if you want go on, please be my guest. No need your stress, I want less problem living down my life. You want leave, please go, but don't feel no way. Another word, I'm heart need a surgeon. Between you and my ex, you are the worst one. It's time for the first man to earn the future.